Hi everyone! Now we're going to learn the easy way to set Vray scene, light, and camera for 3D Max for interior scene. The result will be in medium quality. To use this setting, you have to already master 3D Max basic render and mapping. I'm using Vray 2 and 3ds Max 2011. To save time, I've already created a living room size 5x5 square meter with 2 sofa, a window, and a painting. I'm using Vray material for all of these objects, but if you haven't learned how to set Vray material, you can use standard material. Just don't use ray trace material because Vray can't render reflection and refraction in ray trace material. First thing we're going to do is make Vray scene setting. With this setting, the rendering speed would be quite fast and the quality will be good enough. Go to Rendering, choose Render Setup, and then click Common to go to Assign Renderer. Choose Vray, and then go to Vray. Then set default lightings to off. If we uncheck hidden light, the light that we hide won't affect our scene, but I'm going to use it. And then anti-aliasing. Use Cat Mode ROM. Aside from Cat Mode ROM, I also often use Mitchell Netropoli. Then go to Environment. We can put HDRI or bitmap mapping here, but to gain faster rendering time, I'm just going to use the color. I'm going to change the color to beige. This time I'm going to change the color mapping to exponential. Remove Effect Background and then check Clamp Output. Turn on Indirect Illumination on. And then turn on Irradiance Map. Then change this to Light Catch. Next, go to Irradiance Map. Use Very Low. Change Subdivision to 25. Don't forget to check Show Calculation Phase. Then go to Light Catch. Change to 400. Show Calculation Phase. 0.02 would be enough. That's it for rendering setting. Now we're going to create Vray camera. First go to Camera, Vray, then choose Physical Camera. The same direction. Delete the old one. Adjust the parameter. Then change the camera height to be the same as our eyes, about 150 centimeters. Change the focus to 4. Shutter speed 50. Film speed 400. This is the setting that I often use. If you want to adjust the setting according to your own room, you can try to change the shutter and film speed value. Then we're going to put some lights into the scene. First go to Create, Light, and choose Vray. There are 4 types of light: V-Ray light, which is the most dominant light in the room, then V-Ray IS, V-Ray Sun, and ambient light. First go to V-Ray light. Put the light on to the window. Turn on snap. Move it in front of the window. Then adjust the parameter. Choose Invincible. Turn on Effect Reflection. To get a smoother shadow without spots, we can raise the subdivision value to 15. But since it will slow down the render speed, right now we're still gonna use 8. Now render it. Next, we're going to create V-Ray Sun. If you noticed earlier, the background was black. If we choose yes, then the environment would be replaced with sky. But if you already have your own background, you can choose no. Change to Invincible. If you turn the ozone to 0, the room nuance will be yellowish, and if we raise the ozone value to 1, the nuance will be a bit bluish. Change the intensity multiplier to 0.085. Now render it again. We can see the outside become brighter. Now we're going to create a downlight over the painting using V-Ray IS. Place the light. Then adjust the parameter. Change the IS. Use Cooper. Cooper is one of the IS default light from 3ds Max. You can see it in the Photometric folder. Change the color to red. Now render it again. Almost perfect, but the corners are still a bit dark. To even the lighting, we're going to use ambient light. We can put it anywhere, it doesn't matter. Change the intensity to 0.25. We don't want to make it too bright because it will give a fake impression. You can see the whole room becomes brighter. That's it for now. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Good luck!